Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Facebook cannot send request. If you're using Facebook and you're facing the issue that whenever you try to add anyone as your own friend, you see a message or an error that you cannot send request to the person. So let's see how can you fix that. Now to fix that issue, very first you have to double check that you have a strongest and a stable Wi-Fi or network connection. You can also try to enable or disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times to make a quick refresh with all of your network settings. Then go back from here and open your Facebook app and your app store. Here look for Facebook, and you have to make sure that you haven't any pending updates for your Facebook app. If you find trying to update your app, and after updating, simply go back from here, open your Facebook app again, and here go for friend section and retry to add anyone as your friend and check if your issue has been fixed or not. So if your issue is still not fixed, so tap on your profile option here, then tap on your profile, and then tap on three dots under your profile here, and then select profile status. And you have to make sure that you have green tick here. If you find any red cross here, so it means that your account has been restricted, you're unable to send request. If you see here green ticks, it might be that your account has no any restriction, there is any other issue. So you can retry to add someone as your friend, but if you're still facing the same issue, so you have to go back, you have to check that you're not connected to any VPN, so go for general, go for VPN and device management, or if you're connected to any VPN, try to disconnect with that, and after disconnecting, you have to simply go back from here and open your Facebook app again, tap on the menu option in the bottom right corner, then select help and support option. Select report a problem. If your issue doesn't fix this app on this continue to report, then select not include, and here select friend request. And here you just have to describe your issue. You can also include your screenshot here. And after describing or writing your issue here, you just have to tap on the send option, and your request will be submitted to Facebook support team. And after that, they will get you in touch, or they'll describe how can you fix the issue, or they can directly fix your issue. Sometimes it might be a server issue. You can easily send a request after up to 1 or 2 hours. So now to do that, you have to open the profile here from which you want to send a friend request. For example, I'm going to select this one from here. Now tap on these three dots, and you have to try to copy profile link and save it to yourself. Once you have waited for almost 1 to 2 hours, you have to retry to add them as a friend, and after that you will be able to adding them as a friend. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.